Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to add social links on Reddit profile. Maybe you want to provide additional information about yourself or just want to connect with others on different social media platforms. So today I'm going to show you how to add social links on Reddit profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on this My Profile option. Now, in this page, tap on this Edit button just below your profile picture. Here, you can now see all of your profile details. Since you wanted to add social links on your profile, simply tap on this Add Social Link button. For example, I will add my channel link on YouTube. So I will tap on YouTube. And here, I will enter my channel name. Below, I can now paste here my channel link. After filling out all the needed information, simply tap on this check icon. After that, you now have successfully added social links on your Reddit profile. Now, when people visit your profile, they can easily find and follow your other online accounts. Remember that you can only enter at most 5 links in your profile. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add social links on Reddit profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add social links on Reddit profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.